Have you ever noticed how some people seem to stay strong and active no matter their age, while others struggle with muscle weakness? The secret isn't just in lifting heavy weights or spending hours at the gym. It's about taking care of your body the right way every day. Whether you're looking to build strength or just prevent muscle loss, there are simple habits that can help you keep your muscles strong and healthy. Stay tuned, because today we're going to share 5 powerful tips that can boost your muscle strength and keep you feeling strong for years to come. Okay, first on our list is exercise and strength training. Even if you're not lifting heavy weights, staying active every day is important for maintaining muscle mass and building strength. Strength training can include simple exercises like body weight squats, push-ups, or using resistance bands. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a pro. The goal is to work your muscles regularly to keep them strong. You don't have to spend hours at the gym. Just 2 or 3 days a week of strength exercises can make a big difference in your muscle health. When you lift weights or use resistance bands, you're creating tiny tears in your muscles. Your muscles rebuild themselves during recovery, getting stronger and more toned. Over time, you'll notice you can lift heavier weights or do more reps without getting tired. This process is called progressive overload, and it's one of the best ways to rebuild muscle and prevent it from weakening. But make sure you start with lighter exercises, especially if you're new to strength training, and focus on form. That means doing each movement correctly and safely, like keeping your back straight, using proper posture, and moving with control. Using the wrong form can lead to injuries and slow down your progress. In addition to strength training, regular movement like walking, cycling, or swimming is also important for muscle health. Even when you're not actively working out, staying active helps keep your muscles prepared for action. Remember, consistency is key. Over time, the more you challenge your muscles, the better your results will be. Don't worry if you can't do a lot at once. Every little bit counts. Next up is protein. Eating enough protein is one of the most important things you can do to help support your muscles and aid recovery. When you work out or engage in physical activity, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Your body needs protein to repair those tears and make your muscles grow back stronger. Without enough protein, your body can't rebuild those muscles properly, and over time, you may lose muscle mass. Protein also helps your body produce enzymes and hormones that keep everything functioning properly. So it's not just important for your muscles, it's important for your overall health. It's not enough to just eat protein once a day. To support muscle health, try to eat 20 to 30 grams of protein at every meal. That's about the size of a small chicken breast, a few eggs, or a cup of Greek yogurt. If you work out, having a protein shake or snack right after your workout can help your muscles recover faster. Protein can come from many sources like lean meats, beans, eggs, and even plant-based options like tofu or tempeh. If you're unsure if you're getting enough, a simple way to check is to ensure your plate includes some kind of protein at every meal. For those who might struggle to get enough protein through food alone, there are protein powders and supplements that can help, but it's always best to try to get your nutrients from real food first. Protein helps maintain your immune system, improve bone health, and even improve the appearance of your skin. So not only will it support your muscles, but it will also help keep your whole body healthy. Number 3 is beauty sleep. Sleep is your body's repair time, and that includes your muscles. When you sleep, your body works to fix the tiny muscle fibers that get damaged during exercise. If you don't get enough sleep, your body won't have enough time to recover properly, which can lead to slower muscle recovery and even muscle loss. Experts say that most people need 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night, especially if they're working out regularly. But it's not just about the amount of sleep, it's about the quality too. If you wake up often or don't feel rested in the morning, you may not be getting the deep sleep your muscles need to grow. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that help rebuild muscle tissue. This is why rest is just as important as exercise for muscle recovery. Without proper sleep, you may feel more fatigued the next day, and your muscles won't get the full benefit of your workouts. Also, poor sleep can increase levels of cortisol, a hormone that can break down muscle tissue over time. So getting a good night's rest not only helps you feel better, but it also supports muscle strength. If you're struggling to sleep, try to stick to a sleep routine. Go to bed at the same time every night and avoid screens like phones or TVs an hour before bed. Also, keeping your bedroom dark and quiet can help improve your sleep quality. If you're feeling stressed, relaxing activities like reading, meditating, or listening to calming music before bed can help your body relax and prepare for a restful night. Fourth on our list is hydration. Muscles need water to function properly. If you're not drinking enough water, your muscles can feel weak, cramp up, or even get sore more easily. Dehydration can also make it harder for your body to repair muscles after a workout, which can slow down recovery. To stay hydrated, try to drink 8 to 12 cups of water a day. You may need more if you're exercising or in hot weather. If you find plain water boring, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for some flavor. You can also get hydration from foods with high water content like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges. But staying hydrated isn't just about water. Your muscles also need certain nutrients to function well. Potassium, calcium, and magnesium are all important for muscle health. These nutrients help your muscles contract and relax, which is essential for movement. Foods like bananas, spinach, and almonds are packed with these nutrients. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains will give your muscles the fuel they need to stay strong. Don't forget about electrolytes too. If you sweat a lot, replenishing your electrolytes with a sports drink or coconut water can help maintain muscle function. Proper hydration also reduces muscle cramps, which can be painful and interfere with your workouts. Drinking water before, during, and after exercise will help your muscles perform at their best, and it can even reduce soreness the next day. Lastly, make sure you get enough vitamin D and omega-3. Vitamin D is a key nutrient for muscle health because it helps your muscles function properly. Without enough vitamin D, you may experience muscle weakness or even pain. The best way to get vitamin D is by spending time in the sun for about 10-20 minutes a day. Your body produces vitamin D when your skin is exposed to sunlight, but if you live in a place where the sun doesn't shine much, you might need to get it from food or supplements. Foods like fatty fish, fortified milk, and egg yolks are rich in vitamin D. Omega-3 fatty acids are another essential nutrient for muscle recovery. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the body, including in your muscles. This can speed up the healing process after a workout. Omega-3s are found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds. Some studies even suggest that omega-3s can help prevent muscle loss as you get older. So if you want your muscles to recover faster and stay strong, try to include more omega-3-rich foods in your diet. If you don't get much sun or eat enough fish, you might consider taking a vitamin D or omega-3 supplement. Before starting any supplement, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor to make sure it's right for you. These two nutrients work together to keep your muscles strong and healthy, helping you maintain your strength as you get older. And there you have it, 5 powerful tips to keep your muscles strong, healthy, and ready to take on whatever life throws your way. Remember, it's not about drastic changes or spending hours in the gym. It's about building consistent habits, fueling your body with the right nutrients, staying active, prioritizing rest, staying hydrated, and making sure your muscles get the vitamins and minerals they need. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're looking to maintain your strength as you age, these simple steps can make all the difference. So, start incorporating these habits into your daily routine, and soon you'll notice a stronger, more energized version of yourself. Keep moving, keep fueling, and keep your muscles happy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips.